So now that it's installed, and we can press close here, and then just close this window. And the next thing that we need to do is download a thing called SQL Server Management Studio. So really this is like a front end for you to connect and do lots of development and administration on SQL Server using this front end tool. So what you need to do is click on Install SQL Server Management Tools and also open up on your browser. And what you need to do is just click on this whatever downloads available to you at this time. Click on the latest one. So I'm going to download this Download SQL Server Management Tools 17.91. It might be a different version what you have, but this is the latest version for me. So I'll just click on this. I'll save this. It's going to take 3 minutes. I'll just see. Yep, it's going to take 4 minutes now. So what I'll do again, I'll pause this video, and once it's downloaded I will come back and we'll go through installing this as well. So now it's downloaded, you now have the ability to install this front end so that you can connect to SQL Server. So on my browser I can click the run button. So if you've got a run button, just click on that. Then this screen should appear, and just click install. This shouldn't take that long. Just going through some basic installation stuff that Microsoft like to do. So I can tell this is not going to take that long. After this installed, I'll give you a quick tour around SQL Server Management Studio. Now that it's installed, I will just take you on a quick tour around SQL Server Management Studio. So you just press this close button and close this as well. And if you go to your Start button, and if you click on this SQL Server on whatever edition you have got, and you'll see so Microsoft SQL Server Tools, and in there you will see Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So if you click on this, and you'll see the splash screen. Any second now. Shouldn't actually take this long. I think it should take about 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7. Oh, bit quicker than that. And server name is the name of your PC. My PC is called Wayne, and this long number. So this is the name of my server. And Windows authentication is your login name. So on this screen, just press connect. And this is SQL Server Management Studio. With this tool, you are able to look at different databases, set security on your database, create tables, insert information into tables, do some diagnostics. It can do practically most everything, most stuff from this tool. And we will go through all the different, a lot of the different sections of how to navigate around SQL Server Management Studio during this course. But for this point of the course, it's just good enough for you to download SQL Server and install SQL Server and get to this point. In the next section, we'll start to delve into doing something with SQL Server, that is like inserting data, finding data, creating databases and things like that. So this is the end of this section, and I look forward to you starting the next section.